Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to use guides on Canva in order to make our elements symmetrical and our designs. So you can see right here a design, or even not a design. This is like 5 squares, and that's it. But if you have a good eye, you will see that they're not completely aligned. They're not symmetrical. So in order to do that, you gotta go to File and View Settings and All Guides. When you choose All Guides, you're going to choose whatever guide you want to use. So right now I'm going to use this one, which is vertical lines, 12 columns, and add guides. That's it. Now you have the guides over your design, and you can just move around the squares to be perfectly aligned with the guides, and then that's it. You have your symmetrical perfect design. This can be used to many things. So hope you guys find it useful, and see you next time.